Smartphones aren't getting any cheaper, so it makes sense people want to protect them. And one way they're doing that? Nano-coating. It's a fast-growing trend in mobile care. This $45,000 ultrasonic nano-coating machine is designed to apply an invisible hydrophobic layer to mobile phones, making them water-repellent and scratch-resistant. It's the same kind of protection used in high-end tech labs, but now it's available as a business opportunity. The machine uses precision ultrasonic spray technology to evenly coat devices in a sterile chamber. It's fully programmable, works with a wide range of phone models, and requires just a small, dust-free workspace to operate. Think of it as a high-tech detailing studio for electronics. You don't need to run a giant shop. Start with local repair stores, mobile retailers, or even offer walk-in protection services. Charge $20 to $50 per device. Add-on upsells, bulk coating for corporate phones, tablets, or wearables. Offer it as a premium protection plan, and you're not just fixing phones, you're future-proofing them. The margins are excellent. Liquid nano coating costs just cents per application. With steady foot traffic or B2B deals, many businesses recover the machine cost within 6 to 8 months. In a world where one drop can cost someone $1,000, this machine sells peace of mind, layer by layer. You provide the service. This machine handles the shield. And together, you tap into the future of phone protection. Shared helmets are a hygiene
Helmet washer
sweat,
supports
odor,
coin
germs.
payment.
No one wants to wear a helmet that smells like the last guy's commute. That's why this helmet cleaning vending machine is a
Paper
brilliant solution
payment and
for a
credit
$2,000
card
business
payment.
opportunity. This compact plug-and-play machine uses UV light, ozone, and warm air to clean and
Cleaning
sanitize
can
hands in
be
just minutes.
enabled in the
No
upper
liquids, no mess.
screen.
Just dry, chemical-free disinfection that kills up to 99% of bacteria and odors. Place it at bike rental stations, racing tracks, driving schools, delivery hubs,
A
or anywhere
helmet
helmets are found.
machine has a
Users
valve
simply
for
insert the helmet,
cleaning
wait a few minutes,
steps,
and walk away with a fresh
disinfection,
sanitized, no staff.
sterilization,
It's coin-operated or
drying,
card-compatible. Charge $120
purification.
per use. It runs 24/7, no breaks, no complaints. With consistent use, most owners recover the cost in 1 to 2 months.
Automatically open the
machine
door
can handle hundreds
after
of cycles per
cleaning.
In a world where hygiene is non-negotiable, this machine sells cleanliness, trust, and peace of mind, all packed into a sleek vending box. We provide
A
the spot.
clean
This
motorcycle
machine does the
helmet
dirty work.
smells good.
Together, you keep riders safe and coming back. Puzzle lovers are everywhere. And now you can turn that passion into a full-blown business. This Jigsaw die-cutting hydraulic press is built for one thing: transforming printed sheets into perfect precision-cut puzzles. At around $14,700, it's your gateway to the booming world of custom puzzle production. Here's how it works. You start with a high-res image printed on sturdy cardboard or laminated board. Feed it into the machine, and the hydraulic press uses heavy-duty dies to slice it into hundreds, even thousands of interlocking pieces in one single push. Clean cuts, sharp edges, commercial-grade quality. You can produce puzzles for gift stores, corporate branding, wedding keepsakes, kids' educational toys, or even build your own art puzzle brand. With rising demand for personalized and limited edition puzzles, this machine gives you a scalable way to meet it. You don't need a factory. A mid-sized studio, basic training, and access to custom dies are enough to get started. Sell on Etsy. Sell on Amazon. Sell directly to schools and boutiques. With low per-unit cost and high perceived value, profit margins hit 60–80%, especially for custom or premium sets. Puzzles are timeless. This machine turns that timelessness into profit. One satisfying cut at a time.